Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make red bean soup. Start by rinsing 1 cup dried azuki beans, then soak them for 6 to 8 hours or overnight. Drain and place beans in a pot with 6 cups water, add pandan leaf, and bring to a gentle simmer. Skim foam, cover, and cook until beans are soft and skins split, about 45 to 60 minutes. Bring the soaked beans to a boil, then reduce to a low simmer and cook slowly for best texture. Maintain a gentle simmer and stir occasionally to prevent sticking and ensure even cooking. If you prefer a thicker soup, mash a portion of the beans against the pot, then stir to combine. For a looser consistency, add hot water in small amounts until you reach the desired mouthfeel and balance of flavor. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that seal tightly and stack neatly in your fridge, perfect for storing leftover red bean soup and toppings without spills. They save space and keep flavors fresh, making life easier between cooking sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Once beans are tender, sweeten gradually with rock sugar or brown sugar to taste, tasting as you go. For coconut variations, stir in 1 cup coconut milk near the end and simmer gently without boiling. Add aromatic twists like vanilla or pandan for fragrance, or fold in a pinch of salt to enhance sweetness. Serve hot or chilled, and consider toppings like matcha balls, toasted sesame, or a splash of condensed milk for richness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.